Ahan, for homeschooling, today we are doing EVS lesson, right?
Yes.
Can you name the lesson?
Chapter number 9, Care and Cleanliness of External Organs.
And internal organs?
I don't know what internal organs.
So your heart, your lungs, your kidney, anything, everything that is inside now that you cannot see, that is internal organs, okay?
Okay.
So we are going to learn about external organs in this chapter, okay? And what we are going to learn is not about how they function, but how to care and clean them, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So start reading. Sit straight first of all.
In this lesson, external body organs, functions of external organs, cleanliness and care of external organs, cleanliness of sex organs.
You don't have to feel awkward when you use the word, okay? So sex, when you are studying the word sex, it is about body parts only, okay, here. So don't feel awkward. It is not a no word when you are studying, because unless we study about these words, we will not know what is good, bad, or how to care for them, no? Private parts and stuff, correct?
No one wants to be old, sick, or weak. Everyone wants to remain healthy and smart throughout life. This is possible only with good personal hygiene and proper care of body. Some people are smart and healthy even up to the age of 70 to 75 years. Their eyes, ears, nose, teeth, and hair remain in working order, and there is glow on their face. This is mainly because they take proper care of their body and keep it clean. This is our body. It is responsible. It is our responsibility to keep it healthy and smart. Our health depends on how well we take care of and the precautions we take in eating and drinking, cleanliness, and in the way of lifestyle. Let us learn about this in detail.
Here it says that it is our body and we should keep it. It is our responsibility to keep it healthy and smart. Why should we keep our body smart? Like, what is the need? Smart means what? First of all, tell me.
Smart means.
Should we look up the dictionary meaning of smart?
Yes.
So go get the dictionary meaning of the word smart. Yeah. So Ahan, you found the meaning of the word smart?
Yes. The smart's meaning is clean, tidy, and stylish. And second,
okay. So it says it is our responsibility to keep our body healthy and smart. So I wanted him to explain, and he was not able to. Can you tell why healthy and smart? Healthy, I understand. Okay, to function properly. But what about smart? Why smart?
We need to look good.
Only look good? What are the benefits of looking good? Can you just come a little ahead? You're not visible in the camera. Stop.
We will be presentable. And
what happens when you're presentable?
Lot of job opportunities.
Why should you look smart? Even like when you're school going, to college going, office going, why should you look smart? How does it help?
Makes us look respectable. What's it called? Presentable.
Presentable. And how does looking presentable help you in life? Can you just turn a little bit so my audiences can see you? Just yeah. No. Look here. So yeah, you can see yourself in the camera. Can you tell me, are you looking tidy right now? Are you looking tidy right now?
Very tidy.
Really? I keep pestering you. I'm always behind your life. Ruhan, make your hair, comb your hair. Huh? So you think there is a reason for it?
Yes.
And what is
I
the
will
reason?
take up like this.
Yeah, you will. First of all, hair coming on your forehead will make you squint eye. Okay. Second of all, this growth. I mean, I respect your decision that you want to grow your hair, but this growth, you're not even styling them properly.
I'm trying to style them, but there's not enough hair to style it like that.
Really? This
Yes.
is really long. If you were a school-going child, they would have actually cut your hair. But since you don't go to school, you should at least style it and comb it.
I needed to at least come till here
For styling. Yeah. Okay, let me tell you both why it is important to be healthy. Okay, when we are healthy, sit straight. A healthy body is a body that's free of diseases. That means healthy. Okay, a healthy body is active body. Okay, and tidy is when you are dressed properly for the occasion. Like suppose you're going to play, you're having play clothes. Not some children straight away go in the night clothes, or some if they've gone out somewhere, then the whole day they'll wear outside ka clothes only, like that. So every place that you go, whether it is to your tuitions, to your school, to your outings, to bed or to play, there is a dress code. Okay, weddings, you all cry to wear Indian dresses, but that is what the costume calls for. Okay, and your costume should be ironed, it should be color coordinated, and it should be neat and not torn and stuff. Now I know that a lot of people will disagree that are they are babies, it's okay, but the habits that you will have as an adult are built in the childhood only. Okay, so if you are in the habit of dressing well from childhood, when you grow up, it will just become a part of your lifestyle, and you will not have to put in efforts. Unfortunately, in our times, we were so poor, we could not afford. Like for me, I remember the only dresses, look, when I'm talking now, look at me. Okay, the only dresses we would get is probably one in Diwali, and we would wait the whole year for one Diwali dress. Okay, and school uniform would be one mama would take, which would go for 4 years. They would buy so big, and they would fold it inside, and every year they would just remove one stitch, one stitch, one stitch. We were that poor, and only if you're very lucky and if your family gets a lot of money, then we would get one birthday dress. Okay, one birthday dress, then we would get, like, or if there is a family wedding, like very close wedding, like somebody who's like from your immediate family member, then you would get an extra dress. But these days you have wardrobe fulls of clothes, so you have to get into that habit, okay, of wearing the right clothes. And it is not your mother's job, not your nanny's job, or any other elder family member of your house's job to get your clothes ready. It is very simple. You wake up, when you go for bath, you take your undergarments and towel, and you go for bath. Simple. And then if you have to go to play, wear your play clothes or home clothes. If you just have to plan properly. You have to one day sit and arrange your wardrobe in a way that you know where your stuff is kept, and you are not screaming, give me this, give me that. Okay, so being tidy, this habit you have to inculcate from now only. Okay, and what was the next one? Healthy, tidy, and stylish. Now stylish is very important. Okay, look here. We all have a different style that makes us unique from other people. Okay, so we should see what suits us, but obviously the style will come over time as we start knowing ourselves. So don't put in that much effort right now in that. You will eventually develop over time a good style, but see, these things make your personality. Okay, and people with poor personality, they do not succeed in life. Only people with good personalities, like, see, you can speak English very well, you can read Hindi Marathi very well. Okay, you have to put in efforts in speaking Hindi Marathi also now. At the same time, you have to look neat and presentable. So, because see, the first impression a person makes is by seeing the person, and trust me, the world is very judgmental these days. They don't even spare children. So people will look at children and they will judge you also, and they will judge your parents. If you are not neat and tidy and presentable, they will judge your parents also. And not for this video, but how many times have I told you people to dress well. So it is important. If you learn it from now, your adulthood is going to be a smooth journey. If you just listen to this lesson right now and forget it, I mean, you are at loss, not me. Okay, right. So what other benefits are? You walk into a room full of people. Obviously, you read a lot and you have a lot of knowledge, you have a lot of exposure, you speak multiple languages including Japanese. But if you look also the part, it will create altogether different impression. Okay, you also must have noticed, when you go somewhere and you see somebody neat, how do you feel? You feel good in people who are neatly dressed, right? So that is what it is saying. Okay, chalo, we'll turn to the next page now. Yeah, you have to stop scratching that. It's okay, accidents happen. He's got a little hurt, and now his focus is all there because I think he's finding this lecture boring.
Knowing about our body is the first thing in taking care of it. We should know about inside and outside of our body. Our body consists of many parts. There are external body parts as well as internal body parts. Any body part situated on or near surface of body is external body. We may divide our body into two parts. Head and tongue. In head we have hair, eyes, ears, nose. Our skin is also external body part. It's also an external body part. Skin covers all internal body organs. It imports beauty to our body and protection to our body parts. Think, how will our body look if it's not covered with skin?
Gross, right?
I don't even want to think about it anymore.
Because you can actually
I can actually see.
I know, you can actually see it. We'll show to people also. He got a slight burn the other
I
day.
actually
Yeah.
pressed it in some.
Yeah, liquid is oozing out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah, you go for a washing.
What the heck?
Okay. Right. So this is a very big chapter and it's already been 17 minutes and we have not even finished 8 lines, because see, this is what happens in homeschool. In homeschool, we don't rush the syllabus. So for one chapter I can take 1 month, and because there's more value added information that I would want to give to my kids related to that topic. So yeah, and my battery is low, and since I'm trying to do this recently, there's hardly any memory also left in phone. So this whole chapter is about 8 pages and we just come on 8 lines now, and this will go on for very long. But what I'll do is instead of showing the whole chapter, all the important parts that we discuss, I'm going to show it to you to save the memory also. Okay.